Hello, Mooney. Sailor Utsumakun here. Here to do another unboxing. This time, we have Sailor Neptune. I should mention that something I didn't mention in my Uranus video was that I had to get her off of eBay because the website that I usually use did not have her in stock. So let's get... Why am I having so much difficulties opening a box? Crap. As I've said in many videos so far, I really don't care about saving the boxes for collector's items like some people do. But what I do care is having a box in relatively good shape to store them in if I ever need to put them in storage. Alright, here's Neptune's card. Okay, so I'm unsure of what they use for their references, because Uranus had 2 earrings, and she doesn't get 2 earrings until she becomes Super Sailor Uranus, and yeah. Alright, here's Neptune's tiara. Now let's get her standout. But Neptune does not have her manga design. I don't know what they went for. I want to also use this video as an opportunity to say I have decided I'm definitely not getting Sailor V, simply because I did not like how they did Venus's shoes. And I don't want to go through that because I had a hard time with her shoes. So yeah. Alright, we're going to get Neptune out now. I mainly decided I was going to collect just the mainstream anyways. So yeah, there's that. Okay, why is there like a pound of tape on the back of this thing? I wish I was kidding. It's like a pound of tape. I mean, honestly, once I get it off, it's not bad. But I shouldn't have to deal with it to begin with. If you are not a patient person, which I am not, I highly recommend you don't try to do a bunch of these in one day like I have. Because you will regret everything. So I got her mostly out. I want to inform you these have all been pull-ups too. Pullip is a large family of dolls, from my understanding. Tuxedo Mask was a different one. He was like the Taeyang. I am probably pronouncing that wrong. Okay, we have Neptune now. She's wearing a hairnet. Okay. Let's get this hairnet off of her. I do like how they tried to give her seaweedy hair. Yeah, she's got her normal earrings. Now, how can I make Neptune look elegant? We can close our eyes. But I never do know how to reopen them. Oh well, I'll figure it out. Okay. Get her tiara on. Okay. I cannot figure out for the life of me how to open her other eye. And I'm losing her shoes at the same time while I'm doing that. But at least they gave her straps. There we go. Okay. Comb her hair out. Because Neptune is a very elegant young lady. Do not need this hairnet. Surprised that she had one, but someone like Jupiter didn't. And that, ladies and gentlemen, if I can get her to stay, is Sailor Neptune. But unfortunately, getting her to stay is not going to be easy. So I will deal with her, and I will add her to the post.